You use your phone every single day, but right now there are 7 features sitting inside it that you have never seen. Features that recover lost messages, protect your privacy, and replace apps you're probably paying for. They've been there the whole time. Feature 5 will save you actual money. Keep watching. Your phone has been hiding them. Today I'm exposing every single one. Number 1. You just swiped away an important notification. A 2FA code, a delivery update. Gone. It is not gone. Android has a secret notification history log. Settings, apps, notification history, turn it on. Every alert from the last 24 hours, saved, searchable, right there. Feature 5 will save you actual money. Keep watching. Number 2, and this will make your stomach drop. Settings, privacy, permission manager. Look at which apps have your camera, your microphone, your location. I guarantee there are apps on your phone with access they have zero reason to have. A game with your location, revoke them. Right now, this is your data. Number 3, Live Caption. Your phone generates real-time subtitles on any audio. Live Caption for iPhone works with iOS 16 or later. Videos, voice notes, podcasts, calls completely offline, zero data. Settings, accessibility, Live Caption. A caption bar appears the second any sound plays. Noisy train, no earphones, silent room. This works everywhere. Last 2 features are the most underrated. Stay for them. Number 4. If you have a screen recording app installed, delete it. Your phone already has one built in. Swipe down quick settings. Find screen recorder. Drag it in. Record screen, microphone, internal audio. No ads, no watermark, no subscription. Free. Already there. Number 5. And this is the one nobody talks about. Dual apps, settings, advanced features, dual messenger. Run to WhatsApp accounts, to Instagrams, one personal, one work. On one phone, no logging in and out. This is Android only feature. Number 6. Smart lock. Your Android phone stays unlocked automatically at home, in your car, connected to your Bluetooth. Settings, security, smart lock. Set it up once. Save yourself hundreds of unlocks every single week. Number 7. The most important one in this entire video. Emergency SOS settings, safety and emergency. Set it up. Hold your power button 5 times. Your phone calls your emergency contacts, shares your live location, and starts recording. Works on locked screen, works anywhere. Set this up before you close this video. Seriously. 7 features, already on your phone completely free. Screenshot this right now so you don't forget them. Which one blew your mind? Drop it in the comments. I reply to every single one. Like this if I just saved you money. Subscribe to Tech Simplified Pro because next I am showing you 5 Android settings you need to turn off right now.